Good morning everyone, my name is Zahid. I am from Mechanical Engineering. My roll number is 319.
Good morning. My name is Satvik from Civil Department. My roll number is 104.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Kalyan. I am from Mechanical Department. My roll number is 318.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mansur. I am Civil Department. My roll number is 126.
Good morning one and all. My name is Devanand. I am from Mechanical Department. My roll number is 307.
Now we have made a gas leakage sensor, and the problem statement is the system should develop in a order which order to monitor the weight and the gas leakage cylinder. Once complete.
And gas sensor, and this is sound buzzer. When the gas is leakage, just show them.
We will get the buzzer and the leakage level of the gas, and now it is in safe.
Short.
It is in safe. And now my teammate Satvik will continue it.
A system should be developed to monitor the weight of cylinder day by day. When weight is decreased, the threshold value will be decreased, and we get an SMS or a sound detector, and automatically the knob will be offered. Now color will be continued.
This is the root cause of the problem. There is a lack of time, irregular schedules, and the unawareness of planned watering needs. In this project, we use the required components. This is the Arduino Uno using breadboard and buzzer, LCD display with I2C and the jumper wires, MQ2 sensor, and with connector, and using the lighter to detect the gas leakage from the LCD display with the MQ2 sensor.
Working of the model of the gas in sensor. Load cell cylinder made into the electric signal to motor the gas level. And microcontrol process sensor data check threshold and controls. Power supply provide components. Next will continue by
This project is weighing the cylinder daily. A weight sensor is under the gas cylinder. It checks the weight every day and checking of low gas. When the weight is decreased, the threshold value also decreases, and detecting gas leakage. The gas leakage is used to smell the air from gas leaks. When the gas leakage is passed through the sensor, we can hear a sound, that is buzzer, and the output is given by the LCD display and the safety alerts. It also alerts the user immediately about the leakage of gas.
Now I am going to tell you about existing solutions. Gas level monitoring system. Example as gaps in existing solution. No real-time cylinder weight monitoring system. Most current systems do not continuously track the weight of the gas cylinder. No automatic alert for refilling or booking. User don't receive timely alert when the gas is about to finish, and there is usually no interaction with the gas booking platforms to help them quickly or order it or refill it. Lack of automatic safety mechanism of gas leakage. Existing solutions rarely include a feature to automatically detect gas leaks and shut off the regulators, causing serious safety risk in case of leakage.
These are the advantages of gas monitoring the gas leakages. It lets the users to when the gas is low and to avoid the sudden depletion, and to detect the gas leakage, and they automatically shut off the regulator, and increases the household safety and peace of mind, and enables the daily monitoring and efficient gas tracking.
The disadvantage high installation and maintenance cost, and it depends on electricity, battery power and function, and risk of false alerts and sensor maintenance, and may require technical knowledge of professional setup. These are the disadvantages of the gas detector.
The result of the discussion of the project result. The system helps monitor the gas cylinder weight daily and sends can alert when it's close the running out of the gas. It also detect the gas of leakage and automatically turns off and regulate to accidents.
The overall conclusion of the project is the system ensures safety by alerting users when the gas is about to finish, preventing leaks by the shutting off gas regulator. It makes managing the gas cylinder easier and safer to the user. And this is our gas leakage project.
Let's check once system. Can you give me that? Yeah, when the gas
This
is
is the gas level present now. 520 and 540 it's changing.
and the status
Is safe. Now my teammate will give the gas.
when the gas is detected from the gas sensor. Yes.
The buzzer is working and the gas leakage is
Can you show
coming.
this output?
Again.
Yes, here gas is leaked. Yes.
Buzzer also is work. Thank you.